Hello people and welcome back to Maxime channel, a channel that features only the craziest encounters ever caught on biker's camera. So make sure to stick till the end of this episode so you won't miss out of any of them. Since we have Christmas coming up tomorrow, we'll give you a best of episode exactly on Christmas Day. Now, without any further ado, let's start with today's episode. That's right lady, just casually run across the heavy and dense traffic like that. Van driver pulled out in front of the biker without even attempting to look. And the biker, well, he chose this. In this video, you will see some of the crashes this biker recorded on his camera.
Oh no! Yeah, boy!
Fucking break.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Yeah, you came in a little hot there.
Biker didn't notice that the police was on his tail for quite a while now, and as soon as he stopped at the next traffic lights, they tried to cut him off. Check it out. This driver thought to himself, well, one lane is not enough for me, why not use two, and endanger the biker's safety as well. Road markings are there for a reason, but pedestrians and other people in traffic just simply ignore it.
Why? 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 Why?
Put down your phone, drivers. Trust me, it's not worth the risk. Once you hit someone, it will already be too late. When you are mad, just because. You actually have no reason to be mad, but you're just upset at everyone.
What? What's the problem? Why are you tooting me? Just being f***ing ya? What are you honking me for? Why don't you? Oh, you old. Thank you, mate. Idiot.
This one is for those who think that bikers never admit their mistakes.
You then. Mirror first, mate.
These bikers went out to enjoy themselves, but it didn't turn out quite nice for one of the members of the group. He forgot to close his backpack, and that's a bad thing to do, especially if you're on a sports bike.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you.
We'd recommend you to tone it down, especially on wet roads. Doesn't matter if you have quality tires or not, because it takes one slip and your history. At one point, this biker lost control of his bike, but quickly regained it back. Is it just me, or did I see a cyclist casually tailgating a pickup truck? What? This driver was completely confused as to where to go, and in the midst of his confusion, the biker almost suffered a crash.
Estás muito bem, mano! Sim, senhor! Sim, senhora, muito bem! Foda-se! Maravilha, mano! Foda-se!
Driver made a sharp left turn right in front of the biker, and he took his right of way. Biker, on the other hand, had to slam on his brakes to avoid directly hitting this guy. Biker went in a bit too fast in the curve and he lost control of his bike. Luckily, he wasn't injured due to protective gear, but regardless of that, it was super scary. For some unexplainable reason, this driver took a completely wide turn and he almost hit the biker direct. Unbelievable.
What the fuck? Jesus Christ. Oh my god. Man.
Driver merged onto the lane as if he was on his private parking lot. No indicators, no signs of shoulder check, nothing. It's scary what kind of drivers are among us. Biker was not paying attention just for one tiny moment, and before you know it, a jeep was in his lane already.
Look at this dumbass. At least he waved.
This has got to go down as one of the politest disagreements in history of all disagreements. Check it out.
That was a red light. You just ran. Okay, just be careful now. Pay attention. You have a nice holiday weekend. Be safe.
And we constantly keep telling the drivers, put down your phones, don't be distracted by anything in traffic, you never know what you might cause. And unfortunately, this driver learned the lesson in the hard way. And with this clip, we conclude yet another epic episode on Maxime channel. I hope you enjoyed and learned something out of the mistakes made by the participants of this episode. If you like this type of content, don't hesitate to leave a like and hit that subscribe button, because it helps our Maximate family grow. With that being said, all that's left is to wish you all the best for the upcoming holidays and a safe ride.